Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to give our G90 M5 something that it desperately needs. And it's not a wash, although it does need a wash too. I'm talking about the terrible ride height, and we're going to fix that with a brand new Evolve height adjustable spring kit. The guys are halfway through the job, so we can take a closer look at the Evolve Has Kit. Before I do that, I do want to say that we have had the prototype on our car for around 4,000 miles, so it's been fully tested and verified. It's really compliant, it works well, and it does give the car the stance that it needs. So I have the disassembled parts here. We have the springs, the helper spring, an adjuster, and a bump stop. And you can see that they are assembled on the front damper here and the rear damper here. The aim for this kit was to be able to get the look you wanted by lowering it and having it adjustable so you can choose the kind of stance that you want. There's no modifications required on the damper, so they can go fully back to stock without any issues. We've done 6,000 miles in this car now, and 4,000 of those have been on the Has Kit. We wanted to make sure everything worked properly, you can still change all the driving modes, and that it's very compliant. This car is my daily, it does long journeys, and the worst thing would be to have the car looking how I wanted it, but then have it riding in a compromised way. And I think with this, we don't have any compromises. All there's left to do now is put the kit back on the car, and we can take a look at the results. Has Kit is now fitted. We've just washed the car, and as you can see, typical British fashion, it's actually started raining. The car is currently lowered 40 mil all round. It can go another 10 mil lower on the front, but I think this is perfect for what we want. The beauty of a Has Kit is that you don't have a fixed ride height. You can go up to near stock height, or you can go down to this level and even a little bit further on the front. So what's left? Let's take it for a drive and see what it's like. As I explained at the beginning of the video, this product is not new for us. We've had it in development for a while. The kit that is actually just been fitted to this car, we've tested for around 4,000 miles. We've done European trips in it, local trips in it. No passenger has complained about the ride comfort, which is great, including my family. And the car rides really well, still rides like an M5. It's very comfortable, and the handling is the same, if not slightly improved over stock. It's a very good from the factory. Although people complain about the weight of the car, you do not feel it on the road. I've not been in one situation where I felt the weight of the car transfer in normal road driving. Yes, on track maybe, but on road not so much. And most people will be buying this has kit for aesthetic purposes. The car sits very high from the factory and it kind of spoils the looks of it. And this drop that we've got currently, 40mm front and rear, for me is pretty much perfect. Even with the 22-inch wheels and the front splitter, I've not had any problems with it scraping anywhere. Of course, I do not go anywhere near multi-story car parks. I'm talking about normal ramps and speed bumps. So overall, I know we've taken a little bit longer to release this product than we said we were going to, but we've done plenty of testing. Everything works as it should do. All the driving modes work. It's comfortable, it handles well, and it looks amazing. So I think we've pretty much nailed it. So if you guys are interested in this kit, it is now available for sale. Head over to our website. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.